Hey guys, I thought I'd create an instructional video for using the JuxtaZip utility that I created. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is install the utility, which is pretty basic. Just from the email that I sent out, take the zip file and pop it into a folder. I created a new folder called instructional video. From there we unzip it, and it contains 3 files, the actual utility, and then a couple of DLLs. Let's go ahead and open it. It's pretty basic utility. Old file is the old package, new file is the new package, and then you click Run Comparison to compare the two. So let's get rid of that guy since we don't need it. And we'll create some sample data to run a test on. So we'll create a sample package, and in there we'll create a couple of files. Let's create 3 files. First one we'll call Windows XP, and then we'll add some text. File, whatever. Then we'll copy that, create a couple of new files. We'll call this one Windows 7, and we'll call this one Windows Vista. Okay, so now we got 3 files. All of them contain the same thing. That's right. We'll create a package. Now, a package is basically just a zip file, so we can just zip this up to create a package. We'll rename that to package 1, and then we'll come in here and we'll make some modifications. So let's change the XP file. Let's say text is changed. We're going to delete the Windows Vista file because that's not used anymore, and we'll create a new file called Windows 9. Zip that guy up as well, make it our package number 2. Oops. 2. Okay, and delete this since we don't need it anymore. So our package 1 file contains a Windows 7 file, which we didn't modify, a Windows XP file, which we did modify in the new package in package 2, and then Windows Vista, which we deleted from package 2 and added a new file in package 2 called Windows 9. So let's go ahead and run the utility on those 2 zip files or packages. See, the old package we're going to say is package 1. Let me just grab the location of that, pop it into there. Okay, so package 1 is the old file. Let's say that's our March package. Package 2 is a new file. Let's say that's our April package. Run the comparison. It compares the two, and then it generates this output file called JuxtaZip.txt, and it shows you what the differences are in the 2 packages. So in the new file, the new package, Windows 9 was added, so that's what this little plus sign means here. This file was added. Windows Vista.txt was deleted, so that's what this minus sign is. And Windows XP.txt was modified, and that's signified by that M. This output file is generated in the install folder. It's right there. So you can call it up again to view it. Let's go ahead and run it on an actual package and see what happens. So I got this sample data here, and we'll just copy it in there so we can get to it easily. We'll run the utility on the old file. So it looks like the old file is from 2012. It's October. New file would be March of this year. Let's run the comparison. Now it takes a little while to run, about a minute. It looks like it's hanging. As a matter of fact, it says not responding. It's because it's not multi-threaded. In my next release, I'm going to make it multi-threaded so that way the statuses show up. It tells you exactly what it's doing. At any rate, you can see it kind of working in the background there. And it's comparing all the files in the 2 packages, which again are just zip files. It's looking for any new files, deleted files, and any files that have been modified. Should be just a few more seconds here. Okay, so here's our differences. Quite a few modified files. Looks like there were changes made to affiliate reporting, index.cshtml. That's what this M means here. Looks like there were some new files added. This guy was added. So a partial CSHTML for employees assigned under merchant. Another file added here, and then looks like there was a file deleted. This partial CSHTML file for Merlin function. So you can go through the entire list. A lot of the files can be ignored, like these CSS files can be ignored. JS files, these are library files. Not sure what got modified there. Maybe we upgraded our package, our library or something, or it could be something that was changed in the background. But the important files are CSHTML files, and then some of these DLLs are important. They show you what code has changed. Linktranet mail was changed. Looks like Linktranet cryptography was changed. Data access was changed. So those files are modified. Some of the other ones you can ignore. These Azure, this is a library file. Not sure why that got deleted. But at any rate, that's the quick and dirty of it. Again, the output is stored in this text file. You can view it there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks a lot.